So that's the flap, and you can just open this flap and you'll have your bag. You can put whatever you want inside. I'm gonna be using this as to hold probably a lot of books. And hello, tiny reviewer friend. Today I'll be reviewing another KiwiCo. It's gonna be a Doodle crate this time instead of Eureka or a Tinker. I reviewed several Tinkers, one Eureka, and I believe one or two other Doodles. This is a Doodle crate, like I said. Awesomeness KiwiCo for innovations. My Doodle crate today is make your own Shibori messenger bag. Use traditional dyeing techniques to create a unique canvas bag. Looks like Shibori is Japanese, so it's a Japanese style traditional dyeing. So I'm very excited to do it. Huh. Well, looks like it opened by its own. So this is what it looks like. This is what we're going to be making. So it's a dyeing technique, so you might have to wait for it to dry. It's a cloth dyeing. Squirt bottle. For some reason. Well, anyways, wait, it's not anything. It has powder inside, a blue, dark blue powder. Gloves, thank goodness. Rubber bands. Wood. Some type of workspace or something. The cloth. There are some cloth here. And another cloth. This is the messenger bag because it has a handle. And green tissue paper. Okay, so I'm not going to be explaining all the steps and doing it with you guys because I don't want it to turn into an hour-long video. I'm just going to zoom through it, and at the end I'll show you how it's going to end up. So it looks like we're going to turn this into this, or this into this. So you're making dyeing patterns. So, well, let's get started. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay? So I already did the designs, I already wrapped them, I already dyed them, and I already washed all the excess dye off, and I already undid the rubber bands, and I washed them again, and I ironed it, and now all I have to do is just gonna button them up and I'll have my flap. So these are my two ones. This is this one, the one that's almost entirely covered inside of dye is the Namaki, and this one is the Itajimi. This is more white because I only did the edges, like a crisscross, an array. So I'm gonna do this one, although it doesn't really show. I like the designs, and it suits really well with the ink. I mean the bag and the ink suits it. So I am gonna be buttoning them up, and I'll have my flap. So on the fabric, there are buttonholes, and on the bag, there are buttons. So your job is to have the buttons facing out, your design facing outward, and you are gonna be buttoning them up. So starting with the most left button, there. I'm gonna do this one, the middle is the hardest, it's so hard. All right, in, thank you. And then the edge. All right, there you go. So I buttoned them all up. I'm gonna wait, hello handle. I'm gonna put that all down. It's not the world's best bag, of course, but it's a bag that you made, which is why it makes it special. So that's my bag. So it's a canvas bag. I mean, a messenger bag, obviously. So that's the flap, and you can just open this flap and you'll have your bag. You can put whatever you want inside. I'm gonna be using this as to hold probably a lot of books, and I was going to use this as my school bag for the next school year, but I don't think it will be able to hold all my work and all my books and all my folders and all my stuff, so I decided not to because who knows. It will make a good bag for church though, I don't know. I'll probably have to put my Bible in here or anything, I don't know. But it could be a thought, I don't know. It's not time for church yet, so I'll have some time to think about it. So you can always swap it out. There are, in the instructions, there are at the back more ideas, get inspired ideas at the back. So you can make a reversible flap using these both fabrics. You can stitch them together and then you can put it all together and you'll have a reversible flap. So whichever way you turn it, you'll be able to take it off the flap, flip it over and button it back on. So you can do that as well. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again as Brown too so you can get in my other videos. Bye!